A smart city is a technologically modern urban area that uses different types of electronic methods and sensors to collect specific data. Information gained from that data is used to manage assets, resources, and services efficiently. In return, that data is used to improve operations across the city. This includes data collected from citizens, devices, buildings, and assets that is processed and analyzed to monitor and manage traffic and transportation systems, power plants, utilities, water supply networks, waste, criminal investigations, information systems, schools, libraries, hospitals, and other community services. Smart cities are defined as smart both in the ways in which their governments harness technology as well as in how they monitor, analyze, plan, and govern the city. In smart cities, the sharing of data is not limited to the city itself but also includes businesses, citizens, and other third parties that can benefit from various uses of that data. Sharing data from different systems and sectors creates opportunities for increased understanding and economic benefits. The smart city concept integrates information and communication technology, ICT, and various physical devices connected to the Internet of Things, IoT, network to optimize the efficiency of city operations and services and connect to citizens. Smart city technology allows city officials to interact directly with both community and city infrastructure and to monitor what is happening in the city and how the city is evolving. ICT is used to enhance quality, performance, and interactivity of urban services, to reduce costs and resource consumption, and to increase contact between citizens and government. Smart city applications are developed to manage urban flows and allow for real-time responses. 10. A smart city may therefore be more prepared to respond to challenges than one with a conventional transactional relationship with its citizens. Yet, the term itself remains unclear in its specifics and therefore open to many interpretations. 13. Many cities have already adopted some sort of smart city technology. Published by Statista, May 17, 2023. With the breakthrough in technological advancement in the last decade, the concept of smart cities has also gained significant attention among governments and businesses worldwide. Though often found varying slightly in terms of definition between regions, the idea focuses on enhancing the efficiency and quality of our everyday life in areas such as mobility, communication, shopping, and home, mainly with the use of technology such as connectivity of devices, exchanging of information, cloud computing. China has taken the lead in the race to smarten up cities through digital and infrastructural advancements. As of 2020, more than 900 pilot smart city projects had been set up within various provinces of the economic giant. Cities such as Beijing and Shanghai are leading examples of smart city ventures and are pushing the pace of smart city construction throughout the rest of the country. To achieve the motives behind the smart city concept, governments and companies apply modern technology to various aspects of urban life. These include using software to make government services more accessible or using artificial intelligence to optimize traffic flow. Often it requires a synergy of multiple segments. For instance, to maximize the benefits of the smart grid, it requires modern grid infrastructure on the supply side and IoT devices on the consumer side. In practice, it means that through the use of smart meters, smart home appliances can time their runtime to smooth out energy consumption during peak hours. With more and more households phasing into a lifestyle eased by technology, China's smart home market has been booming. Smart homes are home setups that allow the lighting, heating, and other home appliances to be controlled remotely using a smartphone or a networked device. The market size estimate of smart homes was expected to surpass 217 billion yuan in 2022. China's target for the year 2023 is to set up roughly about 100 million smart homes complete with various smart appliances such as smart TVs, which have been in popular demand, smart washing machines, smart refrigerators, and smart air conditioners. The past few years have also seen an upward trend in the adoption of a smart transportation system in China, to which shared mobility has been integral. The global tech company, Didi Chuxing, has monopolized the mobility segment, especially in terms of the ride-hailing business. The ride-hailing market recorded around 360 million monthly users in 2020. However, the need to improve walkability and pedestrian safety has also been emphasized to enhance efficient mobility. Planning strategies also focus on increasing the rail and underground transport links alongside higher investment in electric vehicles and their infrastructure. The benefits of smart city technologies are plenty, with access to cleaner air and water, reduced wastage of resources and pollution, a healthier population, and a growing economy are a few items on the list that China's population hopes for. Citizens' awareness of smart city technology solutions reflects a positive trend, with more people availing online and digital services to pay bills, manage taxes, and use other public utilities. Published by SCMP, at some new subway stations in Beijing, Guangzhou, and a number of other Chinese cities, people no longer need to swipe a card or scan their phone to catch a train. The gate opens following a quick scan of their face, with the process taking less than 2 seconds. Big screens show how crowded each subway carriage is, allowing passengers to decide which one to board. Such technologies have seeped into everyday infrastructure systems in big Chinese cities following a recent push to develop smart cities. The development of smart cities integrates advanced technologies such as artificial intelligence, the Internet of Things, IoT, big data, and cloud computing in various areas, such as transport, public security, the environment, and manufacturing. And the connected network of sensors and communication devices enables real-time data collection, analysis, and feedback, leading to more efficient and effective management of resources and services. Cities such as Beijing, Shanghai, Guangzhou, Shenzhen, and Hangzhou are leading the way in adopting advanced technologies and innovative approaches to urban planning and management. More than 500 Chinese cities have said they are pushing for the development of smart cities, according to media reports. The Post recently toured a few artificial intelligence companies in Guangzhou to get a peek at the technologies and networks embedded in the country's smart city strategies. A screen at Techfint, an IoT solution and equipment provider, shows real-time shots of trees growing across Guangzhou. The moisture level of the soil is monitored through sensors, and the information is uploaded into an intelligent management system that allows the trees to be cared for properly. IoT describes networks of everyday objects, including vehicles and home appliances, that are connected to the internet and can communicate with each other. The objects have processing abilities and can exchange data to optimize daily lives. People have grown familiar with devices in their homes, such as smart thermostats, that are connected to the internet and can be controlled using a smartphone app, while also communicating with other devices such as smart lighting systems to coordinate and optimize energy usage. But the technology can be extended to a much wider network. For example, in the past, a worker would go from door to door to collect gas meter readings, but now a smart gas meter does the work and can even facilitate automatic payment. From improving efficiency in manufacturing and transport to enhancing healthcare and home automation, the use of IoT technology is becoming more evident in helping to streamline processes, reduce costs, and improve decision-making in the development of China's smart cities. When more things can be connected to each other, we will enter a stage of intelligent connection, which will improve efficiency and reduce labor inputs, Techfint's chief technology officer, Zhang Lin, said. The application of facial recognition technology is widely known to Chinese people, as such scans are required at airport and hotel check-ins. The COVID-19 pandemic also shone a spotlight on the technology thanks to a code that tracked a person's travel history. However, the technology is being used even more extensively in smart city infrastructure. Cytec is a provider of artificial intelligence technology and products, including facial recognition and intelligent big data technology. The company has contributed to the development of smart transport systems in Guangzhou and Changsha that use advanced facial recognition technology, which allows commuters to pay for their subway fare by simply scanning their face. But facial recognition technology is not limited to transport. It is also being used in the security sector to collect real-time data for use in ensuring public safety. The company applies 3D recognition algorithms for more precise matches, and the technology can even detect a person's identity when their face is obstructed. It can also analyze body shape and clothing color to identify someone and help police predict high-risk behavior based on movements, such as physical altercations. Concerns have been raised about privacy issues, as the technology collects personal data without individuals' explicit consent. As a welding robot in Changsha lowers its welding torch, various indicators show up in real time on the large screen connected to the headquarters of Root Cloud Technology, an industrial IoT platform provider 600 kilometers (373 miles) away in Guangzhou. The screen displays the real-time working status of workers and equipment in different Sany construction machinery factories and production lines across the country. Smart factories, highly automated and digitized manufacturing facilities, have become ubiquitous in China, thanks to the use of advanced technologies such as the IoT, big data analytics, artificial intelligence, and robotics to optimize production processes and improve efficiency. The development of smart factories in China is also driven by the country's Made in China 2025 plan, which aims to transform China from a low-cost manufacturing hub to a global leader in advanced manufacturing technologies. The plan encourages the adoption of smart manufacturing technologies and supports the development of a strong domestic high-tech industry. By integrating smart manufacturing technologies and digital platforms, Chinese factories aim to achieve higher levels of automation, productivity, and flexibility while reducing costs and waste. Smart factories in China are often part of larger industrial estates or clusters, which provide infrastructure, logistics, and other support services to help manufacturers adopt smart technologies and improve their competitiveness. Lychee farmers in the suburbs of Guangzhou no longer need to do laborious work in the plantation. Instead, they can use a drone to spray pesticides and apply fertilizers thanks to a smart agriculture system from XAG, a provider of drones, robots, artificial intelligence, and IoT in agricultural production. Smallholders and farm owners with smart farm management solutions can now reduce labor costs and improve sustainability. The monitoring logs and precision farming tools also make production management more meticulous. The extensive network of digital farming infrastructure built by the company can be connected to remote sensing tools and agricultural IoT devices, enabling farmers to increase farming efficiency, manage production plans, and achieve objectives. As of the end of last year, XAG's smart agricultural products covered an area of 966,666 square kilometers, 373,232 square miles, serving 194 million people. Its unstaffed equipment, such as automatic spraying and flow control systems, has saved 520 million liters, 137.37 million gallons, of fuel and more than 49.08 million tons, 48.3 tons, of water, the company said, helping to reduce carbon emissions from agricultural production by 1.4 million tons. In the field of agriculture, the application of AI has just begun, said Qian Shuding, XAG's senior brand manager.